for being like a father to all of us. So we are really
The nursing team. So we truly glad that you came and you showed us like how to be a good leader with everyone. Thank you, Doctor.
Doktora, thanks for coming. I really happy to see you again.
Naiyak.
Thankful for everything.
you really leave a mark to the team and into my heart personally.
Di doktor.
I remember how much you was
Mas
teaching
malaki
me,
ata na dun.
especially in math. my weakness with numbers. So, Dr. Ra, it was really challenging me to learn,
Dahil alam mo
and
na.
this was really beneficial to me and to the team. I really grateful, really grateful to you. Thank you so much for everything. And we will keep in touch all the time. Thank you for coming today.
Dahil ito lang yung pati.
Anyone else?
How to meet ang ay,
Okay, I would like to go.
dahil, ambel.
Happened with our support from the beginning, so thank you. We are really glad that you came to celebrate with us.
Paano
So
kumain
what
natin?
as what Beji said, I remember also the first time that we had
Wala
met
na, ganun.
you with Sir Omar. So we don't know what to